Would you like to know how to create any kind of website without having to code anything? I am talking about creating a WordPress or HTML and CSS. Do you have a product? And want to create a landing page to promote it? How about creating a website in an online service and then sync it to your own hosting? Or maybe you just want to create a website and add your own custom domain. Do you need a WordPress plugin to design your pages the way you want? Well, it is all possible with this new website builder called Brizy. Brizy is an all-in-one website builder for WordPress and non-WordPress websites. It has a plugin to design your website in WordPress, and an online website builder to create any kind website you want. To create a website, all you have to do is access the Brizy website and create an account. Click on Create New Page. Give the page a name. Click on Edit Page. Click Start to start from blank or to choose a template. After making your selection, you can make changes to the page by adding or remove items. When you are completed with your changes on the page, you can click Publish, and then Exit. Now select the way you want to publish the website. You have the choice to a subdomain, custom domain, sync it to your hosting, or download the HTML and CSS. You choose what to use, and you still did not have to enter any line of code. If you need to know more about Brizy and how to use it for your website, click on the link, and I will show you how you can get on the promotion to access the full version and create unlimited website with all the features, which are not included in the free version, like creating pop-ups to collect email, dynamic content, role manager, and many more.